And we are live again. Naputol. Baka sa signal. We're live here at the park. I'm here with my little business partner. It's our date. It's our Mimi time today. Come here, Mimi. Say hi, Mimi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Mimi.
What are you doing here in the park?
I'm playing in the park.
Wow. You love it?
Yes.
You enjoying it?
Yes.
You're having fun?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we're here at the park. Yes, it's Thursday afternoon and we're here at the park. Solo namin yung park because why not? I work from home. I work from anywhere. So we can just go kung saan man yung pwede naming mapuntahan. So now the weather is really nice here. I'm coming to you live from Ontario, Canada. So the weather is around 7 degrees. It's so nice outside. See the blue skies. Nobody's here at the park. So kami lang. And then hindi din siya ganun ka-windy, though it's really cold. Especially pag merong wind. But ngayon okay lang. And then sunny naman siya. Huh? Where is it?
What do you?
You want to wear it?
Yes.
Okay. Sige, wear it.
I'm going to play it.
Okay, so sa mga new followers ko, if you are watching it, meron akong 2 viewers now. I'm not sure. Is it Ate Aina? So just drop a comment here so that ma-shout out naman kita. Thank you for watching. Anyway, I'm just going to do a quick live. Magsasay hello lang ako sa mga new followers. Thank you so much for following my page. So my name is Beverly. I'm actually the owner of the face behind this business page. So I'm a regular mom of 4. And I'm also a registered nurse by profession. So I've been doing this digital business. So Sis Arlette is watching. Hello, enjoy the nice weather. Thank you, thank you. So I've been doing this business for almost 3 years na. So this coming December, magti 3 years na. I'm a digital marketer. What I really do here, nagme-mentor ako, and I'm also a business coach. I help everyday people na mga walang experience or walang mga online background on how to really start an online business at magkaroon ng ekstrang pagkakakitaan.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay. For a while. So, buksan lang natin ang baon nito. Nag-picnic na si Mimi dito. Okay, here.
Okay.
So, I've been doing this for almost 3 years na. So, I started this business during my maternity leave noon with her, with this little Mimi. So, since I'm a registered nurse here, nung nag-maternity leave ako, nahirapan akong bumalik, mag-make decision to really go back to work kasi nga pandemic time yon. So that was the height of the pandemic, and then alam naman natin na mahirap yung vaccine noon, lalo na I was working in the home care setting noon. So wala pang masyadong vaccine, walang mga masyadong protective gears para sa mga home care na mga workers. So, I made a very tough decision talaga to stay home. Alagaan lang muna yung baby ko noon na si Mimi nga. And then, ngayon, meron na naman akong new baby. He's 3 months old, so nasa bahay siya ngayon. Tumakas kami ngayon. Yung nagbabantay ngayon is his dad, but sleeping naman siya. So, maganda ang sleep niya ngayon kasi hindi siya masyadong nakatulog ng maayos kagabi. So hopefully now she is still asleep. So lumabas lang muna kami ni Little Mimi kasi nga maganda yung weather. So anyway, yung mga ginagawa ko dito as a business owner, I actually help yung mga tao nga na wanted to start an online business of their own. So if you are looking for something na magagawa nyo online, this is a legitimate business. So for long term siya, if you've been looking ng passive income na hindi nyo naman alam kung paano magsimula, like most of us na mga regular employees, ang naisip lang natin to really boost yung income ng family is to do more hours sa job, like 2 to 3 jobs, something like that. So dito it would actually, so since the time na nag-start ako netong business na to, Hindi na ako bumalik sa work. I'm already a full-time mom. I'm staying home taking care of my kids. This is the benefit na nakuha ko dito sa business, wherein very portable and flexible siya. So anywhere, saan man kayo magpumunta, you can bring your business with you, and then yun nga, very flexible. I can always work on my business according to my family's time. So hindi siya kumakain sa time ko, and hindi ko rin kailangan nakatutok sa screen ko lang 24/7 kasi automated na siya. So this is the plus factor sa business na to. Okay, so if naghahanap kayo ng something to do online, just send me a message, connect with me, and I will help. I will be very happy to help you. Okay, see you later. Bye.